वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स लीगल डिक्टेशन हम आपको दे रहे हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। हमारा प्रयास रहता है कि भाई आपको 2 डिक्टेशन हम जरूर दें लीगल, ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से कर सकें, ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकें, क्योंकि भविष्य में वहाँ पे पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ का स्किल टेस्ट होने वाला है और इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का, पटना हाई कोर्ट का, जैसा आपको पता है कि 13 अप्रैल को स्किल टेस्ट है। और मैं आपको यही मेरी विशेष है कि प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, तभी आपका सिलेक्शन होगा। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, रियल जजमेंट लेटेस्ट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। दिस इज ए रिवीजन petition at the instance of Karamchand tenant against the concurrent findings recorded by the rent controller and the appellate authority ordering his exactment under section 13 of the East Punjab Urban Rent Restriction Act 1949 bracket herein after referred the act. The facts of the case are that Karamchand, the tenant, was occupying the premises situated in Kashmiri Bazaar, Hoshiarpur, on rent of rupees 90 per month. Pyare Lal, respondent landlord, filed an eviction application under section 13 of the act before the rent controller, praying that the arrears of rent for the months of December 1982 and for the period February 1985 to April 1985 plus house tax was payable by the tenant. The tenant resisted the application, but at the same time tendered the arrears of rent along with house tax in the court on the first date of hearing, and also filed the writ statement alleging that he had already paid the rent for the month of December 1982, and as such he was not liable to be evicted from the premises in a dispute on that account. In view of the pleadings of the parties, the rent controller framed the following issues: whether the respondent has paid the rent for the month of December 1982, if so, its effect, OPR. Under issue number 1, the rent controller held that it had not been proved that the rent for the month of December 1982 had been paid, and as such the tenant was liable to be evicted. The appeal filed by the tenant too was dismissed on the same premises. The present revision petition has been filed against the aforesaid orders. It has been argued by Mr. M.S. Kang, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the second application, insofar as it dealt with the recovery of the rent for the month of December 1982, was barred by the principles given in order to rule of the Code of Civil Procedure. For elaborating his argument, he has pointed out that the landlord had earlier filed an eviction application against the tenant on 11th May 1984, claiming that the rent from 3rd May 1983 to 11th May 1984 had not been paid, and the said application had been dismissed on the ground that the rent had in fact been paid, and it was thus not open to the landlord claim the arrears of rent for the month of December 1982, as the presumption was that its demand had been waived by the landlords. Stop.